This is a bushingfix.com installation video for the JE1 kit. For this cable, it has a two-piece bushing, has a rubber surround piece with a plastic inside piece which tends to break. You'll want to get both pieces out when you remove the old bushing. Take the new bushing and use your thumb and press it in from the top. For the other style cable with the metal cable end, it's a little bit tighter fit, so it'll be a little bit more difficult to press the bushing into place, so you might find it helpful to place the bushing upside down on a flat surface and press down on the cable end until the bushing installs into place. Use a small amount of the included grease on the transmission lever ball. And snap the cable into place. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching.